To divide fractions, we multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So you have to know what reciprocal is. If I flip a fraction, I get the reciprocal. If I have 1/3, the reciprocal would be 3/1, which is 3. If I have 2/3, the reciprocal is 3/2. If I have 5/6, the reciprocal is 6/5. So let's say I want to divide 1/4 divided by 4. Any whole number goes over 1. Multiplication of fractions I want to cancel. I can never cancel across a division sign. So in division of fractions, I change this to a times and multiply by reciprocal. I flip this fraction, so I have 1/4. An easy way to remember is I flip the right one, not the wrong one. It's the one on the right. So now, I can't cancel, they're both denominators. So I multiply across. 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 4 is 16. All right, let's do another one. 8 divided by 3/8. Multiplication of fractions, I want all new, and division, I want all numerators, all denominators. So I have to put my 8 over 1. Cannot cancel across a division sign. So I have to have 8 over 1 times 8 over 3. I cannot cancel them. So 8/8 are 64/3. I can leave it like that unless they say put your answer as a mixed number. This is an improper fraction. So hopefully you remember to change it to mixed. This means 64 divided by 3. So it's 3 into 64. So 2 3s are 6. Subtract, bring down. 3 into 4 is 1. 1 3 is 3. My remainder is 1. So I get 21. That was my answer. And remember, the denominator is the main guy, so it's going to be 1 over 3. 21 1/3. All right, let's say I have another one. 5/6 divided by 10/12. You got to know in division, I change it to a times and multiply by reciprocal. So it's 5/6 times 12 over 10. 5 into 5, 1. 5 into 10, 2. 6 into 6, 1. 6 into 12, 2. And then I could multiply across, but I see I have 2 and a 2. I can go 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 2, 1. My answer is going to be 1. We'll do another one. 7/8 divided by 28 24ths. My 7/8 stays. I change it to a times, multiplied by reciprocal. You got to remember to flip the fraction to the right. Right one, not the wrong one. Then I cancel. 7 into 7, 1. 7 into 28, 4. 8 into 8, 1. 8 into 24, 3. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 4 is 4. We're just going to do 2 more. Let's say I have 5 divided by 1/5. Any whole number you put over 1, change it to a times. I got to flip this. So this is the one people get wrong in standardized tests all the time because they want to cancel those 5s. You cannot cancel across a division. I take the reciprocal, which is 5 over 1. So I get 25 over 1, which is 25. If I have it the other way around, 1/5 divided by 5. That's different. My 1/5 stays. I change it to a times. I take the reciprocal, which now becomes 1/5. Now 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 5 is 25. The answer to that one is 1/25.